Hey, what's up? It's Leah with Fourthwall. Today I'm going to be going over our September patch notes and telling you about all the new features and improvements we've made to Fourthwall this past month. Let's get into it. First things first, we have the new partner dashboard. This is awesome for partners who have multiple creator sites that they work with or manage and want easy access to. This is a perfect way to keep track of any of the sites that you manage in a single place and is really great for agencies, managers, and product designers. So let's get into some of the cool things you can do on the partner dashboard. Creators are now able to give their partners permission to access their site, and partners are able to see all the sites that they have access to, along with how much access they have. They're also able to view combined data of all the creators they're working with if they have permission to access said data. This can include analytics, products, and more. Partners are also now able to create new sites for the creators that they're working with. Next, our team has worked super hard to make it possible to print transparency or fades on products. Creators are now able to upload artwork that has transparency, gradients, or fades into any product on Fourthwall. Here's an example of artwork you might want to print on apparel, and here's how it looks after Fourthwall system automatically converts the transparency to halftones for the printing. This is so cool, so big props to our product catalog and engineering team for putting this together. There's also some awesome new model photography for dozens of products. Right now they're just the product catalog, but very soon you'll be able to have them wearing your designs on your shop. As you can see, here are some of the new photos you'll be able to use. We've also improved the experience of adding new sections to your page by adding a dedicated window. This window categorizes the sections and includes short descriptions of each section. This is a really nice improvement to our previous drop-down menu. I'm also really excited to announce that you can now create promotional codes for members that want to upgrade to another membership tier. This feature was one of the most requested, and we can't wait to see how you guys use it. Staying on the membership side of things, we also now support a more advanced system for tag filtering. For creators who have a lot of content, the single tag filter just wasn't enough for them to find everything they wanted. Now you're able to add multiple tags to post, which makes it so much easier to categorize and find content. The members only has also gotten a really nice visual upgrade. We've made the mobile view a little more compact for a better viewing experience. We've also implemented a more flexible default styling system, making it look better using light themes. We're also continuing to invest in our open API and webhooks, adding support for products and gifting. You can check out some more information on this in the link in our description. I know that was a lot, but we've been working really hard to make Fourthwall the best platform it can be for creators. We also might have some big releases coming soon, maybe something regarding customers outside of the US. Who knows, but you'll have to stay tuned for further patch notes to see what those updates will be. That's all for September's patch notes. If you want to see some more details on each of these updates, you can click on the patch notes blog that's linked in the description. Thanks so much for hanging out today, and stay tuned for some more updates on all the new features and improvements we're adding to Fourthwall. See ya!